Hi everyone, Ben Lombard. I'm here at our Tambo International Airport and I'm sitting exactly where I was sitting approximately 48 hours ago. I had arrived from Cape Town earlier and I was waiting for my connecting flight to Lusaka in Zambia to go and do some work there. I was supposed to leave on Sunday, come Sunday 29th, and I was supposed to come back on the 3rd of September. But that did not happen. While I was sitting here, I was having a quick lunch, and right here at this very table over here, there was a group of ladies, 4 ladies to be exact, from Airports Company South Africa. They were sitting there, some standing, some sitting, some standing, and they were very rowdy at that point in time. And I was sitting here just trying to have a quiet lunch. What happened next is bizarre. In actual fact, as they say in some of the recipes, you can't make up this shit. Yeah. While I was sitting here, I tried to get these ladies to quiet down. They did not seem to. I asked them if they could just lower their voices. They ignored me. I thought, okay, what I could do is maybe try and make a video and a bit to try and realize that they should not make a noise, like screaming over here for no reason. And I took out my video, my smartphone, and started video recording. And as I video recorded, one of them got up and saw me and said, "What are you doing?" I said, "Well, I'm recording this because I'm going to send it to ACSA, being your employer, to see how you behave in public." She told me in so many words I was not able to do it, but she begged me to please delete the video and for them to, they would then keep quiet. And I said to them that, if you do that, you would just be doing it without God. She begged me to delete the video, and I was adamant that I was going to send it to her superior. That was my only intention at that time. What happened then is I made a little video recording, and let me show you what's on the video.
Flashlight.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Tambo. This is the gateway to Africa, and this is how they behave at the airport.
I must stress the fact that I politely asked these ladies in the first place just to lower the voices. They completely disregarded that and spoke amongst each other and then carried on making a noise. All I wanted at that point in time was to have my meal in peace. Alright, so what happened after that is the fact that I did take out my video recorder. I did record it. My real intention at that point was, okay, if they see that I've got a video recorder, they may just, or my smartphone for that matter, they may just accept the fact that I'd like to have my meal in a little bit less of a rowdy environment. And yeah, that's when I took the video. From there, the matter escalated. Let's see, look at the rest of the video. I truly did not believe that my request that I made to them was unreasonable in any way.
So after I made that little video clip, I was approached by a female police official. I think she was a sergeant. She asked me what I was doing. She told me that I had no right to make any photos or videos here. And I told her that there's no law. Everybody around here are taking pictures where I'm sitting. It's not a restricted area. There's no violation of any law as far as I am aware. So, whilst I was trying to talk to her and try and reason sitting there, my meal had arrived. I had taken 2 bites of it. She tried to grab my phone out of my hand and fell on the floor. And I also made a video recording of her. That was video recorded where she slapped it out of my hand. And you could see then she ran off behind. Yes, that's
No, nothing stops me from recording you, madam. And if you want, what are you going to do about it? You can't stop me. You cannot stop me. I'm going live right now. I'm live on Facebook. If you want to arrest me, do it. Otherwise, let me be in peace. Arrest me if you want to. I'm not breaking the law yet. I'm not breaking the law. Well, lock me up. There are cameras up here as well. They are also recording you. So what are you doing? Shout and scream if you want to. You're turning us into a circus.
Once that happened, I tried to carry on having my meal. It was relatively quiet at the time, and I was suddenly approached by a group of police officials. The captain in charge, she identified herself to be as a certain Captain Governor. She was accompanied by 4 or 5 policemen in uniform, and she wanted to know why I recorded this. Now, what I've done in the meantime, because I realized that that she had run off for whatever reason, And for that reason, I decided that in case I get forced to delete any video footage on my camera, to rather post on social media just to secure the existence thereof. Now, what happened then is Sergeant Governor and these men wanted me to hand my phone over to him. And while I was trying to reason with her, she grabbed it out of my hand. And as she grabbed it out of my hand, she ran off right behind. And I had to stop at that point in time, pay for my meal, grab my luggage, whatever I could, and then I tried to follow. At that point in time, and just as a matter of fact, right now I'm being accompanied by my legal representative, who's still been trying to get my smartphone back that has been confiscated by the police. But this is where my deal then continues. So let me just put my mask on, and I'll explain to you all what happened from here onwards. Waiting for my journey to the company. Right, so as I was here, I paid for my meal. After I quickly paid for my meal, I went this way. These people were nowhere in sight. I had to run after them. Well, as you can see, there are lots of cameras around here, lots of video footage, which can confirm what I'm telling you. And Airports Company in South Africa has that information. It is their CCTV footage. So came along here, and over there, around about there, where that cubicle is there. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the legal representative. And I came down here, waiting for the representative. She's following. I stand the risk of being arrested again, I think, or being stopped from making this video recording, so let me do that. Right at the, where this cubicle is. Captain Governor was there. The other policemen were standing around there. When I got here to get my phone back, I was told to follow her. She walked very briskly down here. Just checking. Okay, we walked down here. I've been flanked by policemen from all sides. I tried to speak to Captain Governor. She simply ignored me. She came down here. I tried to squeeze in next to her so I could speak to her. One of the other policemen wedged his way in between us. She was on my left side. He wedged in between us. He said, "Oh, you're a farmer." "No, I'm not." "Are you a businessman?" I said, "No." He said, "Are you a foreigner?" I said, "No." He said, "So who are you?" So I told him my name. He said, "Oh, you think you're going to be smart? Today we'll teach you something." Came down here. He accused me of being a racist, which I strongly deny. I've given him no reason to accuse me of being a racist. I was taken down the escalators here. Still flanked by police all around me. Bear in mind, I've never been arrested yet. They just have my phone. Came down the escalators here. Still being surrounded by Captain Governor and the rest of the guys with her. I can hear racial abuse, racial accusations all the way here. Still being flanked by Captain Governor and her men. She would not listen to me, nothing to say, completely ignored me. So, taken out here. Still being accused of being a racist, and Jimmy, don't worry, we'll show you. Okay. Taken around here. No, thank you. No, that's it. And taken down here. Along this part here. To where the police station is. Not far to go now. So I was taken into the police offices over here. There I sat. Nothing happening. No one would speak to me. I've requested to phone a lawyer. Requested to phone my family to inform them what was happening. And I have been denied that right. I could see that the clock was ticking. I needed to get back to the airport in order to proceed with my flight. No one would speak to me. No one would allow me any phone calls. And what happened next is around about 15:25. I realized that I was going to miss my flight to Kinshasa if I do not try to diffuse the situation. So I wrote out a handwritten note, and I'll try and reconstruct it to the best of my ability, and I'll attach it to this little clip, where I said, I, BJ and Lombard, hereby undertake and agree not to take any civil and or criminal action against ACSA and or /SAPS and or any individuals should I be released with immediate effect, and were allowed to continue my journey to Kinshasa without any further incident. I signed that document, I gave it to the police, I told them to hand it over to the ladies at ACSA, and still nothing. I soon realized that I was going to miss my flight altogether, which is what really happened with that. So I was kept here. I was not given any chance to make any phone calls or anything like that. And lo and behold, around 7 o'clock, which is about 6 hours after my arrest, I was told that I must sign a document to say that I've been informed of my rights. And I said, no, but I have not been given the chance to exercise my rights by making a phone call and allowing to inform my family where they are. So it's only then, and more or less then, that they decided to let me make a phone call. I managed to phone my wife and told her where I was. Then nothing again. Way after 7 o'clock, I was brought in to see a detective. And when I saw the detective, I was told that I must make a warning statement, and I did not. Well, I have no problem making a warning statement, but I haven't been informed of which laws I have contravened at this point in time. So from there, when he said I must sign a warning statement, I said I cannot sign it because I was only told that I contravened the Aviation Act. Now, the Aviation Act, which part of the Aviation Act did I contravene? They didn't tell me. So I have been denied my rights as a person in custody to make phone calls to my family for at least 6 hours. That's where we are, folks. So at about 9:15 that evening, I was taken from here to Kempton Park police station, where we arrived at about 9:45. I was put into a cell with awaiting trial prisoners. Most of them were refugees or illegal immigrants that were arrested, and one South African who was arrested for being in the unlawful possession of a firearm and ammunition. I spent the night there. The next morning, I was approached by police. Well, they woke us up. I did not really sleep there. I slept. Well, I'll carry on with that journey. Saga in a while. But up to this point, well, whilst I was inside over Tambo, I managed to make some other video recordings, which I'm going to share with you straight after this clip. And then I'll explain to you what happened at Tambo Park station. Hold on for that. It's going to be exciting.
I have no video footage that I made of the next 4 to 5 hours from the time that Captain Governor and men came to take my phone at the where I was sitting But I am convinced that ACSA, Airports Company South Africa, the CCTV cameras here will definitely confirm what I have been telling everyone and yourself here up to now. ACSA's own video surveillance cameras will confirm that my cell phone was grabbed from my hand on the first occasion, and on the second occasion it was grabbed by Captain Governor. It will confirm that I followed them out of my own to get my phone back, and it will confirm that I've never been placed under arrest at any stage. After I followed the police to the police station here at the airport, I was taken into the back of the office. I was constantly interrogated. At some point I was left alone in an office before I was put into the holding cell, temporary holding cell, where for the next 4 to 5 hours there's no video footage available of what happened to me. But I was constantly interrogated by police in and around me. At some point I was left alone in the office for a period of time. I constantly asked to make phone calls. I constantly asked to see Captain Governor in a bid to diffuse this situation, and definitely I was being totally ignored. I wanted to phone a lawyer. They wouldn't let me do it.
Airports Company South Africa commits to
Not being attended to, not being afforded the opportunity to make any phone calls for whatever reason. I eventually wrote out a little letter. I asked him to give it to Captain Governor, and this is not the one. The one that I actually wrote is left at the police station. I don't know if it forms part of the police docket right now. But it says, I, BJ and Lombard, hereby consent and agree not to take any criminal and or civil action against ACSA, SAPS and or any individual should I be unconditionally be allowed to continue my journey to Zambia and be allowed to board my plane in good time today, Sunday, August 29, 2021. And the time that I wrote on that piece of paper was 15:25. I did so because I only would have had another 15 minutes to board my plane
as
in good
part of
time
controlling
to
entry into our airports. There are
Zambia.
designated entrance and
All by myself. No one has bothered to take any statement from me. I haven't been informed of any charges. And I've also not been given the opportunity to make a phone call yet. Okay, still no joy. It is now 5 o'clock. Sergeant Glover, it's been for more than 2 hours that I've been sitting here, and I've been asking to make a phone call. Sergeant Glover just walks off. No one could tell me up to now what am I being charged for, what the charges are. I've been denied the right to make a phone call, and I was also told that I am a racist and they're going to teach me a lesson. No idea why I'm being referred to as a racist. Clearly this is malicious prosecution. Captain Governor and Sergeant Governor is something to do with. Sarge, please can I make a phone call?
As I told you, the captain has called for the
Okay, but that was a long time ago. I've been here for more than 2 hours and I haven't been informed of the charges. I have been denied the right to make a phone call.
Nobody denied you the right. You said wait.
No,
Denying this thing you can't.
but at least I must let my family. Sergeant, put yourself in my position. If you've been sitting at the police station or for 2 hours, your wife had no idea where you are. I said I'm going to phone her when I get onto the other airport, and please be human about this. I'm asking you, would you like to be treated like that? I've been denied a lot of rights here.
Warrant officer could say.
That was Sergeant Yamini that just came into office again. Yes, ma'am.
Since you are right, notice of right, you have to reside here.
No, I haven't been given my word. What is your name?
My name is Mawatu.
Mabatu, Constable Sergeant or whatever.
Sergeant.
Sergeant Mabatu. Sergeant, you're the one that grabbed the phone out of my hand.
That's why I said I want to give you the right.
Okay, but now it's been 2 hours later, 3 hours later, that you want to read my rights. I've been detained here until now without being explained the reason for my arrest.
Now is the time for
And now it is 5:05. Why would I sit here for 3 hours and for 3 hours you haven't informed me of my rights?
You have to,
Not you or Captain Governor have informed me of my rights. I've been sitting here for 3 hours.
I can't give you your right because I'm not yet arresting you on the, I didn't put you on a cell.
Okay.
You're still on my office.
But I have still not been informed of my rights.
Now the time for you to give me your rights and then I put you in a cell.
Okay.
Yes.
Can I make 2 phone calls? That is part of my right.
That's it.
I'm not signing that until I made my phone
my
call.
phone call. You
It is my constitutional right, and I demand my constitutional right.
You have to sign.
I'm not signing.
After giving you, your rights.
I'm not
and
signing.
say.
I'm not signing because you are denying my rights to make a phone call.
No, I'm not doing anything.
Okay, I'm not signing.
I'll give to my people.
Okay.
Sometimes you said you can't sign because you won't give the chance to call.
No, I told you. Didn't I tell you?
Captain, you haven't informed me of my rights. You haven't informed me of the reason for my arrest. No, Captain, just a second. I've been arrested 3 hours ago. I haven't been given the right to make 2 phone calls. I have been denied the right to phone my attorney. And I have been sitting here without being informed of the reason for my arrest.
But didn't we tell you?
No, you haven't.
I haven't told you anything.
No, you just grabbed my phone and walked off and said, follow me. So you haven't arrested me yet. No one has arrested me yet.
Officer. Jesus.
No, madam, you did.
No. You know what?
No.
Even if he doesn't understand.
Can I make my phone call, please?
Phone call. All these phones are blocked.
Okay, can I use my phone to make a phone call?
And the detective told me to tell you. There will be a detective coming with your document, and they will give you everything.
But
even
I have the right to let my phone... Captain, be reasonable about this. If you were arrested, at least your family would need to know about it.
Right.
Okay.
That's why we said to you that the detective, from the start I told you the detective is going to come and talk to you.
Okay,
So,
Captain, you are the one that arrested me.
So tell me now.
But I haven't been informed of
No,
my
if
rights.
that doesn't want to sign,
I will sign as a witness.
Okay, that's fine. But I have not been informed of my rights.
No, I'm here to inform you.
Okay.
I'm here to
What are my
inform you
rights?
of your rights. You have the right. You have the right to consult a legal practitioner.
Okay, I need to do that. That's my right. No, I have the right to do it, but I need to do it before I sign
I
it.
have to tell you, you have the right.
Okay, but you are denying my right.
No. After I give you this paper, you have your right.
No, I've been denied my rights to phone my
I didn't
attorney.
want to sign for
No,
your
then I
right.
can't sign it.
I don't want to sign for your right. How could you get your right when it's a
But if you deny my rights, how can I sign that I've
You don't
been...
want to sign for your
No.
rights. You agree on your rights.
No.
You know their rights.
I know my rights, but you are
Then say,
denying my
I want
rights.
to give you your rights.
You are denying my rights. For 3 hours you've been denying my rights. Okay, I'm in this office by myself. Clearly no one else. I'm asking to make a phone call. I've been sitting here for more than an hour. Sarge, if all I'm asking is a reasonable request, and I'm asking if I can make a phone call so someone can come and fetch my property. It's a very reasonable request. If I can speak to Captain Governor, please, if you can call
No,
him.
Captain Governor is still busy. That's against.
Okay. Is there anyone that I can speak to?
Yeah, let me call Captain.
Thank you. Been sitting here for almost 2 hours. I have not been given the opportunity to make a phone call. This is an infringement of my constitutional right. I've made several requests. Who is that?
Captain.
Which one?
Siditi. You
Captain.
want Kavenda?
Anyone. Captain Sabisi is good enough.
Yeah.
Now 4:45. 4:45.
Oh! Ish. Yeah, no. You can give. Yeah. That's
And Captain Governor, what is your name, sir?
Beauty.
Hello, Beauty.
Yes.
Captain Governor.
Yeah. He's outside this building at the back.
Okay.
He's
Is there anyone that I can speak to, please?
Yeah, it's Captain Siditi.
Captain Sabisi.
Yeah, he said he's coming.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Sarge? Okay. And the female sergeant just walked past. Disregarded them. Now 10 to 5. Definitely missed my flight. It is the there we go. Being let go, the unattended. Sarge?
Yes.
When
they're done, they will come and speak.
sorry, what is your name?
Lavender.
Sergeant?
Lavender.
Sergeant Lavender. I'm asking to make one phone call so I can just at least let someone know to come and fetch my property.
Okay. When the captain is done, he will come and open the line for you so you can...
I'm happy to pay you or
No,
anyone else
I
to
cannot
make
allow
one
that.
phone call. Okay. Can you get someone to open the line so I can make a phone call?
When the captain is done, he's the only one that...
I've been here for more than 2 hours. I haven't been given the opportunity to make a phone call. if I make a phone call quickly?
The captain said to come.
Sorry?
The captain said he will be with you in a few minutes.
Okay, thank you. That's Sergeant Yolanda.
So when is he going to make a phone call again? Because he said he must come and collect it.
You can help him to make a phone call. Anyone
I don't have a password here.
You know myself. I don't have a phone code. I don't have a phone code.
So the colonel, anyone, the detective or the other partner?
I don't know.
Yeah, just ask him this, yeah, so that he can make it for me.
Yeah, I've taken everything and I've put it in the bag.
Yeah, no, I don't want him to miss anything, you know?
Yeah, that's
I want to
okay.
make sure that.
So if I can get someone to fetch this, it doesn't have to be booked up as...
No, yeah, no, if that guy comes from your family, come to collect this thing.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Yeah, I'm trying to call one.
Please, Norman. All right, thanks. Yeah, let me just give everything. So even my ring, everything I can give to them and my watch.
Yeah, keep it safe.
Yeah. Then you must do what you want to do. What's your name, Sarge?
Sergeant Bond.
Sergeant Zondi. Zone. So Zone, you are the one that has treated me with the most respect.
No, I respect everyone because,
Yeah.
you know what? Even if a person is arrested, it doesn't mean that it's not a human being.
Exactly.
So you are still a human being.
But I haven't been
the same
treated.
dignity as being arrested.
I thank you for this. I thank you for this.
Yes?
I thought I would help you. He said that he's got a phone code. He'll open for you.
Okay, yeah. So it's coming. So the court is the only presiding authority that will tell whether you are wrong or.
That's fine. That's how it is.
So you see?
That is what it is.
Alright. So there's
So
somebody who can.
then I can just give my watch and my ring and everything to the person.
Yeah, inside.
Then I can go straight to.
Safely, yeah. Inside, yeah.
Okay.
What of police about? No, that's why I want to go to see me. I did not get a case of one statement. What no. What am I? Why was I? Yeah, why was I? Next time, have a come on and I get yeah. Because I had to see them. I don't know. Yeah, no, what
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Good. What is your name?
Selby.
Selby.
Yes.
What is your rank, Selby?
Yeah,
I'm still a constable.
Selby, you.
I'm here to
Okay.
give you the line.
All right.
So do you know the telephone by
I know my wife's number, and then I must just phone her to come to our Tambo. 083 793 1153.
1153.
Yeah.
It's raining.
It's raining.
Yes, staying far.
Okay, now speaking, hello my darling. Just to let you know, I'm still in Johannesburg. I have been arrested. Yeah, do me a favor, get Anton to come to the police station at our Tambo. And then I want you to get hold of Ed Booth and tell him to arrange for Martin Hood to follow up. Anton must just come and fetch my luggage here at the police station, and let Zambia know that I am definitely not on this flight. Yeah, okay. Please, my love, sorry to do this to you. Anton number 1 at our Tambo, so you can collect my personal belongings. WhatsApp Kamba to tell her that I am not making this flight, and I'll let you know tomorrow what's happening. Ed Booth, I'd prefer him to get hold of Martin Hood or anyone that he may suggest to pick up the Canada. In actual fact, I'm entitled to 2 phone calls, so I don't have Ed Booth's number. Okay, but I don't. Okay. Yeah, I've been denied my right to make a phone call for the past 3.5 hours. This is fine. Anyway, yeah. At our Tambo, the one at the airport. So Anton must just come to the airport itself and collect my personal bits. Thanks, my darling. What is the number here? Yeah, I know.
This number?
Exactly.
Or you must call in.
Oh, no, so, yeah, okay. I'm at the police station, yeah. Our Tambo.
011.
Yeah, but it's no good. What extension? You're going to take me elsewhere now.
977.
Okay, 011
977.
977
5511.
5511.
Yes.
011
977.
977
5511.
5511. Selby, what time are you going on now?
Now.
That's not a problem. Police station 24 hours.
Yeah, but okay. I am here at the police station. Just if Anton can come and get this, and then just tell her that I have been detained at the airport. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, my darling. Bye. It's one phone call.
Okay. So you're staying around Gauteng.
No, I flew from Cape Town this morning, and I'm supposed to go to Zambia. Now, I'm not in Zambia. I'm at Tambo. Because why?
Hey, sharp mountain up.
So, but you have a house in Johannesburg.
No, I don't have a house in Johannesburg.
So Anthony is coming from where now?
He's here in Joburg.
Okay. Where in the
Springs.
spring? He'll come. Not far from your school.
Yeah.
He'll come and fetch this luggage. And
Let them come and fetch it. At least you don't have to book it all up.
And then what else did you need? Because my time now is like we say to 6. Since I was there in the morning.
Yeah.
It's 5:05.
You say your name is Sylvia?
Yes.
Sylvia, you've been good. At least you have some understanding. Can't understand why you're still constable.
Hey, they don't promote us, I don't know. It's been about 12 years now. I've been in this.
Let's just wait.
Let's wait for Anthony to come and fetch. We'll see.
Thanks, Sylvie. Go home now. The family needs you. Still no joy. It is now 5 o'clock. Sergeant Gava, it's been for more than 2 hours that I've been sitting here, and I've been asking to make a phone call. Sergeant Gava just walks off. No one could tell me up to now what am I being charged for, what the charges are. I've been denied the right to make a phone call, and I was also told that I am a racist and they're going to teach me a lesson. No idea why I'm being referred to as a racist. Clearly this is malicious prosecution. Captain Governor and Sergeant Governor is something to do with. Sarge, please can I make a phone call?
As I told you, the captain has called for the
Okay, but that was a long time ago. I've been here for more than 2 hours and I haven't been informed of the charges. I have been denied the right to make a phone call.
Nobody denied you the right. We said wait.
No,
Denying is saying you can't.
but at least I must let my family. Sergeant, put yourself in my position. If you've been sitting at the police station for 2 hours, your wife had no idea where you are. I said I'm going to phone her when I get onto the other airport. And please be human about this. I'm asking you, would you like to be treated like that? I've been denied a lot of rights here.
Warrant officer is here.
That was Sergeant Yamini that just came into office again. Yes, ma'am.
Here is your right. Notice of right. You have to sign here.
No, I haven't been given my word. What is your name?
My name is Mawatu.
Mabatu. Constable Sergeant or whatever.
Sergeant.
Sergeant Mabatu. Sergeant, you're the one that grabbed the phone out of my hand.
That's why I said I want to give you the right.
Okay, but now it's been 2 hours later. 3 hours later, that you want to read my rights. I've been detained here until now without being explained the reason for my arrest.
Now is the time for
And now it is 5:05. Why would I sit here for 3 hours and for 3 hours you haven't informed me of my rights?
You have to.
Not you or Captain Governor have informed me of my rights. I've been sitting here for 3 hours.
I can't give you your right because I'm not yet arresting you on the. I didn't put you on the cell.
Okay.
You're still on my office.
But I have still not been informed of my rights.
Now is the time for you to give me your rights and then I put you in the cell.
Okay.
Yes.
Can I make 2 phone calls? That is part of my right.
That's it.
I'm not signing that until I made my phone call.
My phone call. You.
It is my constitutional right, and I demand my constitutional right.
You have to sign.
I'm not signing.
After giving you your rights.
I'm not signing. I'm not signing because you are denying my rights to make a phone call.
No, I'm not doing anything.
Okay, I'm not signing.
I'll give to my captain.
Okay.
Captain, he said you can't sign because you won't give the chance to call.
No, I told you. Didn't I tell you?
Captain, you haven't informed me of my rights. You haven't informed me of the reason for my arrest. No, Captain, listen a second. I've been arrested 3 hours ago. I haven't been given the right to make 2 phone calls. I have been denied the right to phone my attorney. And I have been sitting here without being informed of the reason for my arrest.
But didn't we tell you?
No, you haven't.
I haven't told you anything.
No, you just grabbed my phone and walked off and said, follow me. So you haven't arrested me yet. No one has arrested me yet.
Jesus.
No, madam, you did.
No. You know what?
No.
Even if he doesn't want to sign...
Can I make my phone call, please?
Phone call? All these phones are blocked.
Okay, can I use my phone to make a phone call?
And the detective told me to tell you. There will be a detective coming with your document and they will give you everything.
But
even
I have the right to let my phone... Captain, be reasonable about this. If you were arrested, at least your family would need to know about it.
Right.
Okay.
That's why we said to you that the detective, from the start I told you the detective is going to come and talk to you.
Okay, so, Captain, you are the one that arrested me.
So tell me now.
But I haven't been informed of my rights.
I will
sign as a witness.
Okay, that's fine. But I have not been informed of my rights.
No, I'm here to inform you.
Okay.
I'm here to
What are my rights?
You have the right. You have the right to consult a legal practitioner.
Okay, I need to do that. That's my right. No, I have the right to do it, but I need to do it before I sign it.
I have to tell you, you have the right.
Okay, but you are denying my right.
No. After I give you this paper, you have your rights.
No.
After I
I've
give
been
you this
denied my rights to phone my
I didn't
attorney.
want to send for
No,
your
then I
rights.
can't phone them.
I don't want to send you for your rights. How could you get your rights when it's a
But if you deny my rights, how can I sign that
You
I've
don't
been...
want to
No.
send for your rights. If ever you agree on your rights.
No.
You know their rights.
I know my rights, but you are
Then, sir,
denying my
I want
rights.
to give you your rights.
You are denying my rights. For 3 hours you've been denying my rights.
Of your rights. I said I said to you, you have the right to consult your legal practitioner.
Okay, and I'm asking you, it is now...
You know what? Somebody will come and help you.
It is now 5:15. You are talking about my rights, but I've been denied my rights.
Keep this one, the officer will take.
I can't take it from you if you have denied me my rights. You have denied my rights. It is now 5:15. I've been sitting for 3
I'll tell
hours.
somebody to take you.
Okay. That's Sergeant Mabata. It's now 5:10, 17:20 almost. Yes, sir. Sorry, Sarge?
We'll go straight to the search now. I'll request you to. Yeah, they will give you your phone to phone because you've got the right to phone your family.
Sergeant Zwane,
Yeah,
that is the right that has been denied me for the past 3 hours.
No, I'm informing you. Myself, I was writing a statement. So,
Okay.
So
I've been informed this right for the past 3 hours by yourself, Sergeant Mabata, and Captain Governor. I have requested that I make a phone call. I've been denied that right for the past 3 hours.
Did you hear me? That I told you while I was still there because I was busy with the other statement.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is,
I was taking the statement.
nothing would have stopped me from, there's nothing that prevented me from using my phone.
That's why I said you've got a right to contact your family, to contact your lawyer,
Yeah,
to contact your, you see?
Yeah.
You can even use the state phone.
but why was that denied me for the past 3 hours?
Who's that? I even told you. So now you've got the right.
Captain Governor denied me, Sergeant Governor denied me, Sergeant Mabata denied me, everyone denied me.
Not me, but I came to while you were there. I told you.
I've asked all of you, all along, in the last 3 hours I've been
I
asking
said
you.
you've got a right to contact your family.
No, when did I get that right?
No, the time you were there, I told you.
I came with the right and give
But 3 hours later and I haven't had, if I have the right, why has that right been denied?
I came with the right and give it.
That right has been denied for the past 3 hours and I still haven't made a phone call.
Okay.
Daai phone calls wat ek kan maak wanneer jy speeder met jou besig is.
Ja, so.
Nie voorthang.
Nee, maar nou sê hulle, I've informed them, wat is jou naam? Nee, ek vra jou vir jou naam.
Maar ek sê nou vir jou, jy wil nie eens hoor as mense sê dat
Maar as ek jou vra vir jou naam, moet jy het my kan gee, adjudant.
Nee, luister nou.
Wacht net so 'n bietjie. Adjudant, ek jou gevra.
jy is die suspect. Jy sê nie vir my wat ek moet doen.
O, okay, ek is jammer dat jy jou naam vir my wil gee, né?
Nee, wacht. Kom saam met
Okay.
ons, né?
Okay. Kan ek asseblief 2 oproepe maak? Ek wil iemand kry wat hier goed kom haal.
Want ek wil met jou werk, want jy speel in jou interview. Want jy
Okay. Ek wil net dat iemand hierdie goeders vat. Dan is nie nodig om op te boek.
accept.
Kan ek net oproep maak?
Ja, is dat oproep?
Maar daai reg is my nou wil ek met nou werk vir 3 weke. Maar ek is nooit my regte verduidelik nie. Nog steeds nie. Nee, maar ek is my regte ontneem tot dusver. So hoe kan ek teken dat ek teken nie daai ding voor ek die oproep gemaak het.
Ja, alsjeblieft, kom zo met me. Hè?
Okay. Kan ek die oproep maak?
Ja, jy is al oproep.
Okay.
Ja, is jou recht in, hè?
Maar ek hierdie 3 regte het ek vir 3 ure nog nie gesien nie.
Maar asseblief,
Okay.
ja.
Ek het respek vir jou, dis jy my respekteer.
So, ek sal jou weekly search
Waar kan ek die goeder sit? As ek dit kan vir my mense gee, dan gee ek dit my mense.
Organiseer alles, né?
Ah?
Ja, jy kan jou alles regseker, né? As jy daar wees, ja.
Ja, maar as ek dit vir die mense gee, dan hoef ek dit nie op te boek nie. Dis wat ek sê.
Ja, no, die waren sal jou, ja.
Laat ek die oproep maak, asseblief.
Ja,
Hoekom is dit 'n probleem?
nee, ons het nie probleem.
Maar kan ek nie bel nie?
Ja, jy sal bel.
Wanneer kan ek bel?
Warren, weet jy die telefoonnummer?
Sê jy?
Die telefoonnummer? Telefoonnummer van jou lawyer en...
Ja, dat is op my foon.
En die probleem is, daai een is DETAINED.
Ja, maar dan moet ek iemand anders kan bel, maar niemand gee my 'n kans nie. Daai ek het haar nommer, maar ek moet haar kan bel. Dat sy iemand kan kry om goed te kom haal.
Nee, jou vrou, jou seuns of dokters.
Ek het een nommer wat ek onthou my kop. Ek kan haar bel en sy kan die mense kry om te kom. Hoekom vir 3 ure julle sukkel om my te laat bel? What's that?
We have a problem of communication.
No, the communication, I've begged you for the past 3 hours to let me phone.
That is why some they say this, some they say this. That is why we had some.
No, for 3 hours I've been denied my right to phone.
That is why now I do have.
Can I make the phone call now?
Let's finish with something first and then
What is that something?
we will search you and then put everything in a safe place.
Yeah, so that when they come from home, they must collect your things.
I can get somebody to be here in the next half an hour. They can take it.
Is it?
That is why all along we've been having some. When I say this, you say this, and then
No, the communication.
What I
No.
will do now
the communication is the one that failed.
is to search you, and then from there you will make your call, and then
Let me make a phone call. Let him come and fetch the stuff. Then you don't have to worry about the thing.
yeah, but I will have to search you and make sure that everything is alright.
You put it aside to say this one and call someone
And
to come
you
and
must make sure that everything is here, and then you lock it. And then,
you take everything in here.
yeah, and then it's yours. You must lock it nicely.
If I have a lock, let's see if I have a lock. I can't lock it. No, if I make a phone, why can't I make a phone call 3 hours later?
No, we'll call the warrant. So that
The communication was failing.
No, the communication is not failing. I begged you all for 3 hours to phone.
3MB, and
Where are all of them?
the council is reopening the behind document.
But anyway, this thing will be with you until your person or one of your family members comes to collect. But the thing is, it is dangerous to leave things like this.
If I,
The person who is
if it,
decided.
no, I'd like to hand this over to my family. Then you can lock me up. You can do what you want.
That's the problem, because we don't want anything to miss out.
So that's what I say. If I can make a phone call, they can fetch it,
Yeah.
and then it's fine. Then you can do what you want to do. It'll take them half an hour to get you. But if I phoned 3 hours ago,
that are valuable and I put them here so that when they come, they collect everything for you.
but I can't lock this.
No, we won't take it away from you. because you must see everything. You won't take it everything, you know, because you will have to phone that somebody to come and go in front of you. So
But let them fetch it, then you search me, and then I've got nothing. I can leave my keys, everything.
oh, you don't have anything yet?
No, there.
No.
Nothing else. There, everything is in there.
So
That's
you
what
don't
it
know
is.
anything.
Yeah.
Warren?
What's that? No, I haven't been informed of my rights, so I can't take it.
Sorry?
What is your name, Consul? No, I haven't been informed of my rights.
Well, this person will come to you. I don't know which language
Yeah,
you want.
I haven't been informed of my rights.
Can I ask? Which language do you prefer? Which language do you prefer?
I can speak English pretty
Alright,
well.
I'll tell this person who sent you to come and
Yeah, but I have been refused. I've been denied my rights for the past 3.5, nearly 4 hours. So it is now 10 to 6. Yo, come in. It's now 5:26. Come in.
Hey, how are you?
Good, and you?
Hey, good. Hey, inside. Inside. What's that called? How are you?
Good, and you, gents?
That's all inside. Anyhow. Everyone is coming. Yeah. Very this week, you know? I think you made it, eh? This week. So where are you coming from?
Cape Town.
Cape Town. So what's the problem?
I still don't know. I still don't know what the problem is.
You still don't know.
I still don't know.
So they didn't say anything to you?
I haven't been informed of why I'm here yet. For the past 3.5 hours.
Right.
Okay.
Today is trade.
Was all the traffic today?
The traffic.
Yes, what's your name?
My name is Ben.
So what's in the case?
Sorry?
What's in the case?
My equipment.
Oh. Is it why they held you here?
Sorry?
Is it why they held you here?
No, it's not because of that.
Come in.
Good.
Are you original from South Africa?
Sorry?
Are you original from South Africa?
Am I?
Originally from?
Yeah.
Okay. Born and bred?
Born and bred.
Okay.
What's your name?
Constable Riba.
Constable? Riba?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You coming on duty when I shift?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just got in 66.
Okay. It is now 6:15. I've not been given anything to eat or to drink. I've not been informed of my rights. And I have not been informed of the charges against me.
Once I was locked up in the temporary holding cell at the police station, these 4 ladies from ACSA were walked past me. They actually stood there in front of my prison cell, laughing and making jokes of me. Sad to say.
So is 16:25. They were laughing to see me in custody. So it's a big joke.
Unfortunately, I could not obtain any video footage of them, but as I walked away, I made this video.
So when is he going to make a phone call again? Because he said he must come and collect it.
You can help me make a phone call. Anyone
I don't have a password here.
Even myself, I don't have a password. I don't have a password to use.
So the kernel, anyone, the detective, the other file?
I don't know.
Yeah, just ask him so that he can make it for me.
Yeah, put everything out. I put it in the bag.
Yeah, no, I don't want you to miss anything.
Yeah,
I want to make sure that.
So if I can get someone to fetch this, it doesn't have to be booked up.
No, if that guy comes from your family, come to collect this thing.
Yeah, okay.
I'm trying to call one.
Please, all right, thanks. Yeah, let me just give everything. So even my ring, everything I can give to him, my watch. Yeah. Then you must do what you want to do. What's your name, Sarge?
Sergeant Zondi.
Sergeant Zondi. Zone.
Yeah.
Zone, you are the one that has treated me with the most respect.
No, I respect everyone because, you know what, even if a person is arrested, it doesn't mean that it's not a human being.
Exactly.
So we are still a human being.
But I haven't been
treated. Dignity as being arrested.
I thank you for this. I thank you for this.
Yes?
I will help you. He said that he's qualified for you.
Okay, yeah. So it's coming. So the court is the only presiding authority that will tell whether you are wrong or.
That's fine. That's how it is. That is what it is.
Alright. So there's
then I can just give my watch and my ring and everything to the person.
Yeah,
then I can go straight to.
Safely, yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
What of Elizabeth?
No,
that's why someone to go to see me. I get like a case I can want statement you fit on them. No. What am I? Why was I? Yeah, why was I? Next time you have a time and then I get
I haven't had a month because you go there complaining and criticism. The province about father Twitter.
Yeah.
It is Zoom, PJ5.
Yeah. Because I had to see them. I don't know. Yeah, no, what
Mr. Lombard.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Good. What is your name?
Selby.
Selby.
Yes.
What is your rank, Selby?
Yeah.
I'm still a constable.
Selby, you.
I'm here to
okay.
Give you the line.
All right.
So do you know the telephone by?
I know my wife's number, and then I must just phone her to come to our Tambo. 083 793 1153.
1153.
Yeah.
It's raining.
It's raining.
Yes, staying far.
Kano speaking. Hello, my darling. Just to let you know, I'm still in Johannesburg. I have been arrested. Yeah. Do me a favor. Get Anton to come to the police station at our Tambo. And then I want you to get hold of Ed Booth and tell him to arrange for Martin Hood to follow up. Anton must just come and fetch my luggage here at the police station, and let Zambia know that I am definitely not on this flight. Yeah, okay. Please, my love, sorry to do this to you. Anton number 1 at our Tambo, so you can collect my personal belongings. WhatsApp Kamba to tell her that I am not making this flight, and I'll let you know tomorrow what's happening in court. Ed Booth, I'd prefer him to get hold of Martin Hood or anyone that he may suggest to pick up the Canada. In actual fact, I'm entitled to 2 phone calls, so I don't have Ed Booth's number. Okay, but I don't. Okay. Yeah, I've been denied my right to make a phone call for the past 3.5 hours. This is funny. Anyway, yeah. At our Tambo, the one at the airport. So Anton must just come to the airport itself and collect my personal goods. Thanks, my darling. What is the number here? Yeah, I know.
This number?
Exactly.
Or you must call in from...
Oh, no, so, yeah, okay. I'm at the police station, yeah.
011.
Yeah, but it's no good. What extension? You're going to take me elsewhere now.
977.
Okay, 011?
977.
977.
5511.
5511.
Yes.
011?
977.
977.
5511.
5511. Selby, what time are you going on now?
Now. That's not a problem. First station is 24 hours.
Yeah, but okay. I am here at the police station. Just if Anton can come and get this, and then just tell her that I have been detained at the airport. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, my darling. Right, bye. It's 1 phone call.
Okay. So you're staying around Gauteng?
No, I flew from Cape Town this morning, and I'm supposed to go to Zambia. Now I'm not in Zambia. I'm at Oa Tambo. Because why?
Hey, sharp mountain up.
So, but you have a house in Johannesburg?
No, I don't have a house in Johannesburg.
So Anton is coming from where now?
He's here in Johannesburg.
Okay. Where in the
Springs.
Springs? He's come. Not far from here to Springs.
Yeah.
You come and fetch this luggage.
Let them come and fetch it. At least you don't have to book it all up.
And then what else did you need? Because my time now is like we say to 6. I have to go. Since I was there in the morning.
Yeah.
It's
You say your name is Sylvia?
Yes.
Sylvia, you've been good. At least you have some understanding. Can't understand why you're still a constable.
Hey, they don't promote us. I don't know. It's been about 12 years now. I've been in this.
Let's just wait.
Let's wait for Anthony to come and fetch.
Thanks, Sylvie. Go home now. The family needs you. Okay, so it is now 6:30, and Anton, my brother, has just arrived. He's now gone with Sergeant Zondi to go and speak to the detective. We'll see what happens next. Yeah, Hoe laat is het nou? Oké, tot nu toe was ik nog niet meer recht te verduidelijken. En tot nu toe, so it says Kinshasa.
What are your names in full? Your names?
My names in full is, I'm sure they wrote it down because I had my passport.
DTN, just read initials.
Okay, they wrote it down here.
These initials.
Okay, it's Barend, B-A-R-E-N-D. Is the first one.
Yeah. J.
J is Jacobus, G-A-C-O-B-U-S.
N.
As for Nicholas, N-I-C-H.
Nicholas.
N-I-C-H-O-L-A-S.
Oh, Lombard.
Yeah. Say, Constable, what is your name?
Kasha.
Gasha. Okay, thanks, Constable.
You said you're staying where? Full address.
Number 3, 33, Chanticleer, C-H-A-N-T-E C-L-E-R. C-H-A-N-T-E-C-L-E-R.
E-C-L-E-R.
Yeah. Chanticleer Avenue. That's in Eversdal, Devonville, Cape Town.
Oh. Devonville. Village.
Durbanville,
Yeah,
Cape Town, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's 33 Chanticleer Avenue, Devonville, Cape Town.
Cape Town.
Are you working in Zambia, sir?
I was supposed to go and help the government there with the investigation.
Oh, okay.
You're into investigation?
That's my job, part of it, yes.
You're a private investigator?
No, I'm not.
You're what? Forensic psychophysiology. Physiologist.
Very expert.
Later polygraph. We do polygraph as well. You travel all over Africa?
Wherever, yeah.
Your ID number?
58 0928
0928
5029
5029
087.
087. The address is the same?
It's the same, yes. Yeah. Mr. Constable, I can't believe that I've been sitting here for 4.5 hours and this is the first time somebody sees me.
I don't know what happened.
Yeah, I don't know either. But anyway, it is now, what's it, 7:30 already. Is my watch right?
Yeah, it's 7:30.
Okay.
Your cell phone is the same as this one?
But now you have my phone.
Yeah, it's evidence.
Okay.
Do you have employees there?
Sorry?
Do you have employees?
Do I have employees? I do, yeah.
Like how many?
Oh, it's quite a few.
Don't worry about it for you. You ate something.
Sorry?
You ate. Did you have something to eat?
No, they disturbed me while I was having lunch. I paid for lunch that I'm not getting.
How?
I haven't eaten since it. That was at just after 1 o'clock.
With your brother, maybe will buy you something.
Okay.
Shuma, ulatela ujai khadu jawo, over galeva. Dole ba mala mufas. He's too mad. Interview. His phone. I'm finished with it. It was just to say you make a statement in court with your lawyer.
That's fine.
You're not admitting anything. You sign everything where I sign. Where's the suspect?
everything, the conversation that we had, all in
Okay. When I have not been informed of the charges against me yet.
the charges. I've informed you, like I informed you.
What are the charges against me?
Civil Aviation Act.
Which section of the Civil Aviation Act did I contravene?
13 of 2009.
Which one?
Section 13 of 2009.
Explain to me what it says.
You're not supposed to be taking photos here.
At all at the airport.
You see, sir, like I said, because I'm not sure where exactly you were taking pictures.
Okay, let me explain. I was sitting having my bunny chow there next to Wimpy.
Yeah.
There were people there, and then I made a video. I took some. I had my phone in my hand, and I did what I did there.
You know what?
Then those people said, "Oh, you're making a video," and I said, "Hey, listen." And then the next minute they called the police. The police came, they grabbed the phone in my hand, it fell on the ground, then they ran away. Then 6 more people came, they grabbed my phone, and they walked away. They came here, I followed them. I was never arrested until now.
You know,
right up to now I haven't been arrested.
Yeah, now at this stage, don't worry.
But you understand what
Just
he's
now,
explaining to you.
this is just allegations.
But I need to know what the charge against me is.
Like I told you,
Okay, what is the charge?
contravention of Section 13 of Civil Aviation Act 13 of 2009.
Section 13.
Yeah, of 2009.
Just read it out to me so I know what law I've broken here.
You're not supposed to be taking photos here. At the
Everybody takes photos at the airport.
you don't understand. I'm not a magistrate. I'm not saying you're wrong.
So
You understand?
I'm informing you all this is malicious prosecution and it is unlawful arrest. And no offense to you, and no offense to you. You guys have been the most civil out of everybody. Yeah, I feel I'm being treated with respect now for the very first time in the past 4 hours.
Yeah.
We fully agree with you. Like I said to you, if you may take the matter up.
Yeah, no.
You're welcome. Don't worry.
Yeah. No, I'm not. I'm not even fighting with you. I respect you guys, and I thank you for showing mutual respect.
Okay, thanks. It's like that. So it's not like you're guilty of anything.
No, but
but somebody has made an allegation. We have to follow it.
That's fine. This is malicious prosecution, definitely.
There is a possibility. Of course,
no, I can tell you it is a malicious prosecution.
Yeah. So
who is the arresting officer?
So he's there in the docket.
But I don't know. Who is it?
You're welcome to arrest. They will disclose everything to you.
Okay.
Then if you want to make a lawsuit, follow on that.
That's fine.
Yeah. It discloses everything to you.
Okay.
This docket, the whole docket, the whole bunch, it goes to court.
Okay.
You understand? You have everything there. Because now you're always against them. So and so said what.
It's exactly, and it's a shame that it's got to be like that.
Do you have any tattoos?
No tattoos.
Luckily, tomorrow we'll be going to court. It's not like that.
Okay. Am I being arrested for the night? Am I sleeping here for the night?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which town were you born? Town.
Middleburg.
Here in Middleburg.
Not just Middleburg, the other one.
Oh, the Middleburg there by Northern.
Yeah.
Northern
Cape, yeah.
Yeah. How to spell it?
Midddelburg. It's the same, yeah.
Yeah, you see. Your relative, I'm writing your brother here.
What's that?
Your relative that is not staying in the same place.
It's Anton Lombard.
Where's he staying?
In Springs.
Oh, you know the full address?
Mm-mm.
Oh, just know he's staying in
Mm.
Springs. No, I'm checking the features.
Mm.
The one that spectacles as well. That ID number again?
58
58
0928
0928
5029
5029
087.
087. Are you married, sir?
Yes. Which court is that?
Captain Park.
Compton Park. Okay.
Yeah, this is for your fingerprint. And then this is this side. Where is the suspect as well? This is the formula. Like before, I don't believe you were using this.
Sorry?
Everyone has got rights in South Africa.
Yeah.
So you have to go through this.
Yeah.
The question I was asking, are you injured? What was?
No, it's good.
Yeah, those are put everything here.
Okay.
Because it's not like those golden days where
I have not been told who's arrested me.
Yeah.
I have not been told exactly what the charges are against me. I have been refused the right to make a phone call for more than 4 hours.
Yeah.
Oh, from what I can gather. So that is where I am.
Yeah, I understand. You tell that magistrate, somebody, the person that arrested you has to explain why he did not inform you.
That's exactly.
I
Okay.
understand. And at least I understand because even this notice of rights is not signed to show that nobody told you of your rights. So he has to, whoever arrested you has to explain to the magistrate the reason for his arrest and then why you were not informed of your rights.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I understand. So what I would need to just sign here where is the suspect. I can even give you to go through everything.
I have Let's go through it. I'll read it to you.
Because the one that I was, is the question that I've been asking.
That's fine. I answered all the questions truthfully.
Yeah. This is just a statement about what. This is me.
Yeah. Yeah.
It is me that is charging me Gilbert what partial.
Okay.
And here is the charge that you're charged for. Contravention of Civil Aviation Act.
In the section?
Section 13 of 2009. And then here is me that is signing. The number is interviewing me. I'm signing here, you sign here. There is no interpreter as well inside. Here is that the purpose of the interview that concerning the allegations against it. You understand? Just the information that I was telling you. And here is that there is no lawyer here present. There is no lawyer here present, legal practitioner. And then here is if ever there was.
Just hold on a second. I informed the suspect as follows. The purpose of this interview is to give you the opportunity to make a statement concerning the allegations against you and to put certain questions to you concerning allegations that you were involved in commission of the offences. I still don't know which part of the Aviation Act I contravened. So I cannot sign that to say I've been informed. You have the right to remain silent throughout this interview and are not compelled to make any statement or answer any questions. Any statement that you make and anything you say will be written down and may be used as evidence in a court of law. Should you prefer to make a statement or answer questions, such statement and answers will be submitted to the Director of Public Prosecutions or Public Prosecutor, who will make the contents thereof into consideration, will take the contents thereof into consideration, also in deciding whether to prosecute you. You have the right to consult a legal practitioner of your choice, or if you prefer to apply for legal aid, board to be provided with the service of a legal practitioner at state expense. The legal practitioner of your choice or the one provided to you by the legal aid may also be present during the interview. So I'm not going to get a legal aid lawyer now.
Legal aid, no.
Exactly. Okay, so I'll have to do that at court.
I don't know if you need, like I asked you before, you need a legal, the one, the state attorney, or you have one of your own. I don't know.
Okay. I still haven't been informed exactly what law I contravened here. I still don't know.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So I can't sign something that I don't know what law I've broken. That's fine.
I can't explain to you.
Yeah, but I still don't know which law it was.
Because I told you, civil aviation.
I see people take pictures at the airport every day. Even in terms of aviation law, I see people, then you must arrest everybody that takes pictures of their friends and family saying goodbye.
You know very well that I don't
9 o'clock.
Yeah.
All of them must come to the front.
It's not me that
We're doing a Christmas draw.
That is why I'm saying few allegations.
Yeah, no, that's fine. So I must just leave it and... No, you've done your job so far. I'm good.
That person has to say that in
But I still haven't been informed which...
I'm waiting. I'm not charging you.
No, we are not fighting.
Yeah, I'm using this information.
We are not fighting.
This information I got from the person that arrested you.
So I must know which section I contravened.
Yeah, exactly. You're asking that.
Yeah, so I don't know it. So
you asked that person that arrested
exactly.
you.
So I'm waiting. No, I know you can't give me it. It seems like you can't.
The person said you've done this.
No, that's fine.
So you have to explain. Like,
yeah, that's fine.
It makes sense to me now.
That's fine.
Yeah, I understand.
All right.
So if somebody alleges, then I have to take you to court.
That's fine. Okay. Minister of Justice himself said that people should only be arrested as if a flight risk And if it's a serious crime that they've convicted, I'm talking about violent crimes. I haven't committed any of this, so I am definitely, and I told them all this afternoon, let me go and we can sweep it under the carpet. If I don't get on that plane, I am going to institute civil action against ACSA and everyone else that is keeping me. But fortunately, you're not part of that.
Hey, that's why I don't worry. I'm just protesting.
Yeah, you're doing what you're. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
All right, so you're detaining me for the night?
Yeah.
Okay. I can't stop you.
Tomorrow you go to court. You're already detained, by the way.
That's fine.
Yeah.
And I cannot be released on warning. Does a crime not justify being released on warning?
No.
And if the crime does not come...
Oh.
We can release him and then release him and then go to book somewhere, sleep tomorrow, go to court, and then from there to get back to election.
What are we going to do?
So I think you will find out. I will do a so you know I can't go and now already. And I don't want to join.
Folks, I'm telling you, I'm going to open charges, criminal charges and civil cases about everybody. I'm not scaring anybody, I'm telling you, it's my right, I'm going to do it. That could have been done 4 hours ago and I could have been on a plane to Zambia. I am going to institute civil claim against ACSA and South African Police Service and each individual. I know who they are. And thank you, my dear. What is your name?
Makeke.
Okay, what is your name?
So this, are you going to sign this?
Sorry?
Possible, Makeke. We were thinking that we can't just punish you to sleep inside the cell for this issue, so you can...
I'm going to take action. Really, I'm going to take action. If you keep me here for the night, my civil claim is going to be much bigger.
Okay.
I am going. I am. And into each individual, and I tell you, I have been arrested on a previous occasion. You can look on the system. I was arrested, and that one ended up as unlawful arrest. I went to civil court. I got a lot of money. And this case is exactly the same. It's the same premise. No, not rich. I must clear my name. And I'm going to clear my name. My blood is wasted here. My blood is wasted here. My blood is wasted here.
Now you're going to sign this?
No, I can't sign. You can get anyone to sign as a witness, but I can't sign.
No,
it's fine. If you can't sign,
yeah,
you cannot prosecute.
No.
For the right that you refuse to sign.
No, I have not even been explained which section of the Aviation Act I contravened. I don't know.
No, it's fine. Even the fingerprints you're not going to allow.
No, you can do the fingerprints. I'm happy. I have no problem. Yeah, I'm giving you a right. I'm happy. I can't.
Okay. No, I understand.
You can force to take my fingerprints. I'm not going to give you a chance to force me to take my fingerprints. I'm voluntarily agreeing that you take my fingerprints, but I'm not signing that. And I'm not signing that thing to say I've been informed. I have not been informed of my rights right up to now, except for that warning statement that you gave me.
Yeah, but remember, I don't understand why you don't want to sign this.
I don't know which law did I contravene. Did I wake up on the wrong side of a bed and came to the airport, or what?
That you go to underneath. You remember, we just arrested. That you must not forget that. We did not arrest you.
Huh?
We did not arrest you.
Oh, yeah, no. I'm not fighting with any of you three. You have been treated with the most respect and dignity up to now. When they picked me up, they said, "Oh, you're a racist. We'll teach you something today."
No, it's fine.
Why don't you charge me for racism?
No, listen to me what I'm trying to say. I thought you've been working with me on this,
Yeah,
interviewing with the doctor.
yeah,
Remember, we're not accusing you with anything.
yeah.
That's
But I have not been informed of the allegation against me, so I can't sign that.
But we informed you.
I don't know which section of the act I contravened there.
Then you can argue that in court. It's not a
No.
problem.
I can't sign that I've been informed of my rights, and there it says I've been
But
informed.
no, it's fine. We cannot stop you to sign.
Look here. Here it says I've been informed of the allegations against me. I don't know which law. Did I write?
No.
Did I wake up on the wrong side of the
What
bed?
I'm saying. Let us take fingerprints.
I'm happy
from
with
you. We'll take fingerprints from you. Then we're done. We take you back to the site.
Okay.
And the photos.
Not of our business,
Which photos?
the photos.
Whose is that?
It's our camera. It's a GPS camera.
What about it?
Every
We're
suspect
taking
is
for every suspect.
Yeah. No, I don't have a problem
But
with
it's not
that.
of our business. We don't want to see you on the daily sun.
No, I understand your argument.
No.
You understand?
You don't have to explain to
Just
me.
for our record.
I'm cooperating in every other way.
No problem. Let me check your fingerprints and.
So, okay, must I arrange for a lawyer?
Yes.
Yeah, you're
Okay,
welcome.
and I'm sleeping here tonight.
Yes. But tomorrow morning,
Okay, you're-
before 9 o'clock,
Okay,
everything will be
that's
sorted
fine.
out.
The video was in the we can that's come
Never come to German or not.
Hey, you got to G. I got to come on to you.
I don't want to.
I was one to you. I was one. Then.
And then there's a space here.
So, as I said, I arrived at Kempton Park Police Station approximately 9:45, and that was Sunday evening, the 29th of August. Took a while for them to process me through their books there. I was taken to a cell where there were 5 other people in there, in a cell that's probably 5 by 4 square meter. Hectic. It's not a pleasant place. There were 4 foreign nationals that were arrested for breaking immigration laws, and myself in this cell 4 by 5 square meters. I had a mattress that was probably this thick, with a canvas cover over it. The blanket. Bear in mind that there's been a lot of snow, even flying, so it was one of the coldest nights in South Africa that night. I ended up with 1 blanket. Here's a shred of it. That's all I was given. Sleeping on the floor on that little mattress with 1 blanket. Next morning, for breakfast we had very, very weak tea. We also had got a piece of bread, roughly the same size as this, with a bit of jam in it. Roughly like this looks, which I declined to have. Around about 7 o'clock, a policeman with the name tag Molefe, a constable Molefe, arrived there, called out my name to see where I was there. There. While later, unaccompanied by anyone
some guys who claimed to be lawyers did the rounds. They came to see some of these illegal immigrants. They wanted to know from me what I was there for. And yeah, I explained to him. I wanted to know if I had any representation, legal representation yet, or whether I needed some. I told him that I had arranged with my wife to arrange something. I requested her to do it, but I was unaware of what has been arranged until then. So this guy who claims to be a lawyer identified himself as Roy. He tried to phone my wife. She did not answer at the time, and it was left there. Around about 9 o'clock, I would say it was, although I don't had a watch on me because it was taken away. I couldn't take it into ourselves. Around about 9 o'clock, I was told that just to make sure that I was there, and that they would be taking me up to the courts at Kempton Park. I assumed shortly after that. However, that did not happen in a hurry. Round about, well, I can only assume again, round about 10 o'clock. Constable Molefi came, he unlocked the cell. I thought I was on my way to the court for proceedings. And I said, okay, yeah. Said goodbye to the other guys in the cells. And he said, no, you're not going to court. Your attorney wants you. So I thought my wife had arranged the attorney. So I walked there. You could see these lawyers had a field day there. They could do what all these people claim. The one collected 3,000 rand from one of the other illegal immigrants, one way or the other. He hasn't even been represented. He got his money and run. Sad to say. Alright, so in a while I'm sitting there, this lawyer who identified himself as Roy said to me, alright, I have spoken to the prosecutor, we've made a deal. They're going to release you, they're going to withdraw the charges against you, and you can go. He says, but that is going to cost you 1,500 rand. He says, I've spoken to your brother, he's outside here. Who's going to pay my bill? Him or you? I said, no, I never commissioned your services, and I'm not going to pay you. He had a smirk on his face. I said, okay. Okay. That's all he said. After that, I just wandered around the corridors there, at the cells for quite some time without anyone paying any attention to me. I could see the cleaner, even the cleaner there, had the cell keys, and he could open cell doors for prisoners. I could see lots of things happening in that period. I could see policemen charging prisoners 50 rand, 100 rand to use their cell phone. Their own cell phone. A little throwaway cell phone there. Disgusting. Ridiculous. It's a sin. Okay. Some of those people that were in prison had to pay bribes. They had to bribe just about everyone possible. From the immigration officer right to the policeman to everyone. Everyone wanted money. And it is horrendous if you come to think of what is happening at Kempton Park Police Station, of all places. Right, so I sat. Eventually, Molefe came. He was very rude to me then. Pushed me back to my cell, locked me back in there. And now I'm waiting because at some point I've got to go to court. This is what I'm here for. So at 2:45, yesterday, being the 30th of August, 2:45 in the afternoon, I was taken out of my cell, taken to an office there nearby, and I thought from here they would probably be taking me up to the court for me to appear. However, that never happened. It never happened. I did not appear in court at all. Not on Sunday, not yesterday, not today. Up to now, I have not appeared in court. What did transpire, though, is at 2:45 when Molefe took me out of the cells. He didn't say a word. He took me to the office. He filled out some documentation, and the next minute he told me that I was free to go. I said, but I did not appear in court. I'm too afraid to. I know that if you get arrested, if you're supposed to appear in court, you have to be told by a magistrate that charges have been withdrawn against you, whatever the case may be. But then I learned that, well, it was confirmed what this lawyer told me early on, that charges would be withdrawn. But at 2:45, ladies and gentlemen, at 2:45, 14:45 on Tuesday, Monday, the 30th of August, I was released without ever being formally arrested, without formally appearing in court, and without formally being informed by a magistrate that all charges against have been withdrawn against me. I was worried then.
Please be reminded that masks must be worn at all times, in and outside the airport terminal. Sanitizing facilities are available at designated areas. Please feel free to ask any airport staff member to direct you to that area. Protect you, protect us.
As I said, I was very, very concerned to walk out of there, knowing that I could be shot in the back and being accused of having escaped from there. No documentation whatsoever that I have been released. I have not been given a piece of paper to say I've been released, nothing. I don't have a cent to my name, and I had to go and find my way back to wherever. I came back here to Tambo airport. I tried to get my cell phone back, and I was told that they could not release my cell phone, which is still in police's custody at this moment as we speak. It is now 2 o'clock already. I still don't have my phone, and I was advised to come back later to the police station and see if I can get it. I'm still sitting at Tambo. I should have left Sunday afternoon, being the 29th of August. I should have left for Lusaka. I couldn't. Via my office, I notified my client in Zambia that there has been a mishap.
COVID-19 regulations, passengers are required to scan their own boarding pass at the security point for their safety.
Alright, my client in Lusaka has been advised that there's been a mishap, that I'm being delayed, and that I will try to leave Monday, being the 30th of August for Lusaka, They were not keen on that idea. They were not happy about it for obvious reasons. I was booked to perform duties for a whole week, which I could no longer do. This morning when I came here, I managed to get hold of the office, and we've received an email from Lusaka, my client. Would have been I was hoping this to be a long-standing relationship, a new-standing client. Email said, regret to inform that we have to cancel your services due to non-commitment at this point in time. There you have it, folks. Not only have I lost income for an entire week, I've also been detained without any proper cause. I've been exposed to elements beyond belief. If I say to you that those illegal immigrants were scared of contracting COVID in that prison cell, then you must know how disgusting it was to be detained. Horrendous circumstances. Not only did I lose income, my wife, my family suffered as a result of that. My business has taken a serious knock. No one can afford to lose business, whether you're big or small, not of this nature. And yeah, sad to say, South African Police Service, what I've seen at Kempton Park, what I've seen at our Tambo Airport, what I've seen at Kempton Park, it's disgusting. The world needs to see this. I've been arrested, detained for taking, I've been kidnapped for taking videos or photographs, according to them at the police station, at the airport. That's a crime I committed. But they couldn't tell me that. Not one policeman at any stage could tell me which crime I committed for having been detained unlawfully. Justice must be done, and justice must be seen to be done. That's why I'm making this video. ACSA and the South African Police Service, I expect not only to be compensated for my mental strain, that of my families that I had to endure. I have to be compensated for loss of income, and I have to be compensated for putting at risk to contract COVID under these difficult circumstances. Those individuals, the ACSA ladies, would definitely laid the charges against me after I did say to them, listen, let's cut quits, call quits, let us move on. They thought that they would teach me a lesson. No, it's not going to work. Lesson taught, lesson learned. Don't abuse your powers. South African Police Service, Captain Governor, and the rest of you. I'm not going to take this line down. Definitely not. I want to see criminal action taken against all of you for kidnapping. I don't know where that lawyer, where there is even in fact a lawyer. I want to see extortion charges, kidnapping charges, and any other charge that I could add to it. the whole book, thrown it all at you. Learn from this. We are not trash. Also, don't treat us as trash.
Hi, Ben Lombard. It is 8:25. It is Tuesday, the 31st of August, and I'm arriving at the South African Police Service at Tambo International Airport.
Morning.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
No.
Give it to us. How do you perform to the warranty? Talk to me. Wait.
But you haven't sanitized yet?
What's that?
You haven't sanitized it.
Well, I can sign it to you if you want me to.
No, sanitized.
No, I just sanitized, but I can do it again.
Oh.
While you were on the phone, but I'm sanitizing again.
Now it's okay, don't worry.
Yeah. I'll sign your book. Sergeant Cheng King, I was here yesterday.
Good morning, how are you? I'm so good. 56135614. Haina abantu la. 5614 and 13 haina magoba insurance. I can't send you. I will send you now. Case number 83, yeah, how to visit the civil aviation. Abantu zwara lezo ibhokeke isibakathobo kyasimara lezo iswarane ngalo. Yeah, so bathi uthi ngofisi ase kulifana bo hayi. Yake kena bodaka bolwa. Yeah. Shapshama. Yeah, we need to check for me. I want to see the eye test. You must have a video.
Who is the investigating officer?
Yeah, I will put it in commander now because we must come in the yeah, I'm taking a shot and I didn't want to be able I said somebody people I'm making good ideas. Then deal with it wasn't.
That's right.
No, when you said to me yesterday you didn't appear before the magistrate, I told you.
No, I did not.
They said to me, they read the docket first before you come in. If it's very less, you don't need them to come in there. Police station, good morning. That's the reason I'm answering you. Yes, it's very good when it's over. And what I'm going to say from Ubuza Maisela, Yarama Soldier, police station, good morning. Are you police station to the Mazasala Musini or working at a house with the Batara?
Yeah, Marie. How are you? Happy New Year.
And then you know, you're not a good brother, not only a photo for the I get full of food, I said, so I don't understand the political about what I gave you. I don't know what I'm about so much as to be whatever. So you're not for the arena or in another. My point is, that's the reason I will give information. He did not give information. No, I understand. Well, I know. There's a lot of people who are going to move. Ukile mowani so mowani ukile ramazona because you don't find out what is one because clear after hours from Mumbai. So for now,
So what do you do? Are you a businessman?
I beg yours?
I mean, are you a businessman? What do you do?
Yeah, I'm a businessman.
Okay.
Come in.
I thought it was a TV. Yeah, which means I was but why you gonna go somewhere? Get home.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, and you?
Yeah, hey. Alright, man.
Alright, Zena.
Alright, nah. Yeah, come in.
Yes, how are you?
Where are you?
I'm with you.
Okay. Somebody arrived me or yet? Did somebody arrive from here or not yet?
Just give a little. Alright? Alright. What's happening? What's happening? Come. Put your luggage here. What's happening so far?
I don't know yet. She could go.
Yeah, put the stuff there. And then put your bag there.
Yeah.
You have a bag with you?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, take your bag out today.
Okay, I was going to get someone to come and fetch all my stuff.
That's fine. Come. Because as soon as you come, I'll let you know.
Okay.
Because now you're under arrested.
Sorry?
You're under arrested, you know the story. You're under arrested. Just put your luggage here. Come this side. Then I'll lock here. Then if someone come, I'll let you.
I've been staying for 3 hours on my own, no
I
problem.
understand. Yeah, come this side. It's not allowed to do. Yeah, don't take a belt. Yeah. If someone comes, then I'll let you know. Check the stuff, all the stuff. If you want to get the room, get the bill, it's fine. Because now it's a procedure that I received. Yeah, sorry about that, understand?
Okay.
So, we decide.
Okay.
Don't stress too much.
Sorry?
Don't stress too much. This is my name.
That's fine.
If you want to find your base, you'll get it. Where are you staying?
I'm staying in Peyton.
Second?
Cape Town.
Cape Town, okay. If you sleep by here, they're going to ask you.
Thank you, Sarge. What's your name, Sarge?
Sergeant Lewis.
Thanks, Sarge.
Whatever you want to me on here, if someone has to say to come, I'll let you know to come with you.
I appreciate it.
I know this is misunderstanding, but
Okay. Thank you, Sarge.
few minutes. Paperwork.
Thank you. Thank you,
Not
Sarge.
that the word then, it's a paper here, ask them to get the paper there.
Okay.
Those person.
Thank you, Sergeant. Been put in a temporary holding cell. My stuff is on that side over there. There's 6 o'clock. I've not been informed of the reason for being detained. And I also haven't been informed of anything up to now. Sergeant Manela. Okay. Is he around?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to check. Good morning. Can I speak to Sergeant Manela, please? Hello. How are you? I'm talking with Mrs. Manela. Manela, let me next. Where do you go? The value for the organization. How is that there? Don't get the amount of what information learn how to get better from the phone. Yeah, you know what's it? I'm a lumber. Very lumber, yeah. You know what I said, so much on. What is the idea? What is this program? What do you think? I have so if you don't have a way for you to have a I'm going to jump up and I'm waiting for my partner. Once I got I'll run like this, I'm looking for them. Then we can deal with it. For now, I'm not saying anything.
So dogs and cats, you say?
Yeah, because they're sitting this.
Who's dealing with it?
They're giving me a hard time now. They're telling me about they're telling me about the dog at the I'm telling the don't.
Okay. Fine. If it's easy, you can phone Captain Park. There's a lot of stuff there, or else you must send somebody to get a docket in the meantime. I'll tell you what, instead of driving me around, arrange for the docket to come here, and I'll be back a little bit later.
Where are you going now, sir?
I'm going up.
You won't be around Captain Park.
No, I'm going to be at the airport. I don't have transport.
If you were going to be around Captain Park, you were supposed to ask the coach. But we are not going. We are not be around.
I don't have transport. I'm from Cape Town.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay. Sorry, what is it? What is the Kosi? I'm from Cape Town. I was brought here. I was released yesterday at Kempton Park Court. My phone is here. I told those people that are coming here to fetch my phone, I asked them to arrange for my phone to be collected. I came here. This person has been very helpful.
You told them by the court?
Yes. No, not by the court. They're in the cells.
Okay.
Because I've never been to court. I told this sergeant, and he's been very helpful, Sergeant Sinkem. He's been the most helpful out of everybody up to now. He tried to get it yesterday. It wasn't given. I had to spend an extra night in Johannesburg. I lost my second flight to Zambia. So yeah.
Yeah, yes, yesterday when you were talking with me.
I think arrange for the doctor to come here because when I come back, I want my phone.
No, wait. I want because I thought you were not driving.
So I'm coming back. Trust me, I'm coming back to you.
What time?
Within the next hour.
But now things are waiting around now. I wanted to bring you straight
So it's okay. I say to you, tell those people they must arrange for that doctor to come here because when I come back, I demand my phone to be handed over. All right. Thank you, sir. That's where I am after all this time. Still no phone. I'll be back.